Today we will show you how to assemble the 4WD Smart Car Kit. These are all the components we need. There is a protective paper on the surface of the acrylic. You can tear off the protective paper. Control the servo shaft to rotate to the central position. Place 4 M2.5*6 plus 6 copper standoffs on the holes of part A01, and then fix them with 4 M2.5*7 screws. This component is not symmetrical, so please be careful to identify the mounting surface of the part. Fix the 18650 battery holder to part A01 with 2 M3*10 countersunk screws and 2 M3 nuts. Fix the OLED screen with 4 M2*8 screws and 8 M2*11 copper standoffs. Use 8 M3*8 screws to fix 8 M3*30 copper standoffs to part A01. Use 2 M3*8 screws to fix 2 M3*12 copper standoffs to part A01. Fix 4 nylon standoffs to part A01 with 4 M3*8 screws. Fix the WS2812 RGB LED to part A02 with 2 M2*10 screws and 2 M2 nuts. Fix the assembled DC motor onto part A02 with DC motor mounting bracket. Please note the screw holes, only one side of the bracket is threaded. The bracket kit contains matching M3*8 screw, M3*30 screw and M3 nut. Due to the opposite polarity of the left and right motors, during installation, it is necessary to ensure that the colors of the motor wires on the same side are consistent, while those on the opposite side are opposite, ensuring that the mounting positions of all parts are correct. Use 6M3*8 screws to fix part A02 to part A01. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to fix the servo to part A03. Connect part A03 and part A04 together using 2M2.2*6 tapping screws, a 2-foot rocker arm and an M2.5*7 screw. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to assemble the servo to part A04. Use 4M1.6*10 screws and 4M1.6 nuts to fix the ultrasonic module to part A05. Use 4M1.6*10 screws and 8M1.6 nuts to fix the camera module to part A05. Connect assembled part A04 and assembled part A05 together using an M2.2*6 tapping screw, a rocker arm, and an M2.5*7 screw. Use 2M3*8 screws to fix the servo. Use 8M3*5 screws and 4M3*8 copper standoffs to fix the I2C matrix display module to part A06. Use 2M3*12 screws to fix part A06 to part A02. Use 2M3*12 screws and 4M3 nuts to fix the 3CH line tracking module to part A02. Use 2M2*10 screws and 2M2 nuts to fix the light tracking module to part A02. Fix the Adeept Robot Hat version 3.2 to the Raspberry Pi board using 4M2.5*21 copper standoffs and 4M2.5*7 screws. This kit does not include the Raspberry Pi, you need to purchase it separately. Please connect the circuit correctly as shown in the following picture. Fix the part A07 to part A01 with 4M3*8 screws. Install 4 mechanism wheels onto the motor shaft with 4 couplings and 4M2.5*20 screws. Assembly of 4WD Smart Car with ordinary wheels.